Whether you'd prefer to be in the heart of it all, close to transit, great dining and cultural landmarks, or whether you'd prefer ravine views, this suite has you covered for both. With approximately 1,650 square feet and a huge balcony, 360 Bloor Street East, Suite 806, allows you to experience the best of both worlds. Beautiful views overlooking the Rosedale Valley and a fabulous midtown location. Come on in, let me show you around. This special suite is well laid out and features an updated eat-in kitchen with granite counters and 3 walkouts to the extra-large balcony. The incredibly spacious open-concept living and dining room provides superb room for entertaining and everyday living. Other fabulous features include a wide foyer with a coat closet and ensuite laundry. Finally, a roomy primary bedroom with 2 walk-in closets, a large 4-piece ensuite, and a well-sized second bedroom with closet completes the space. At the 360, you'll enjoy top-tier amenities including a 24-hour concierge, an indoor pool, sauna, fully equipped gym, squash court, and a party room. Additional conveniences include a car wash bay, visitor parking, and 4 EV charging stations. Incredible location, incredible views, incredible layout. Don't miss it. Book your showing today.